to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Raul, and here's the finished product of one that's got everybody pretty excited about, getting a lot of interest on YouTube. This is my Johan 68 AMX build. It is the Playmate of the Year car that was given to Angela Dorian, which I understand is her real name, as she was the 68 Playmate of the Year, and she was awarded a pink 68 AMX. What's interesting in reading about all of this is the car that she's pictured in front of has different hubcaps than these wheels, but I understand from some reading that that was a car that was taken off a lot, sprayed pink, and used for the photo shoot, but they actually let her order her car to her specs. So she ordered a 290, which is the base engine, an automatic tranny, and they painted it pink. Another interesting story on it is the AMXs have serial numbers on the dash. Her particular car, instead of having the serial number, has her dimensions. So it says AMX 36-24-35 instead of an actual serial number, which is another unique feature. I was not able to duplicate that in the interior, but I did duplicate this car, and I painted it hot magenta pink, which is the closest I came up with for this particular build, which is in a tester's bottle, but I airbrushed it, and it's looking pretty good, pretty vibrant. But once I was looking at 68 AMXs and I ran into that car, I thought it was a great one to duplicate. A lot of my factory stock builds are based on actual factory cars, and I like odd combinations and odd stories, and I like them fairly loaded. But this particular one, I'm like, I gotta do it, gotta do a pink one. It's kind of unusual. And she ordered it with AC, and it came with the Magnum 500 and red lines, just how I've got it built right here. The only thing I didn't duplicate, because I already had the bumpers re-chromed, was hers has bumper guards in the back. I do not. I've done that on my big bad car, but on this one I didn't do that. It was about the only thing I didn't do. I did convert it to an automatic transmission, so it's got an automatic in there instead of the manual tranny that the kit comes with. Left the engine pretty much stone stock. I also, there's the engine. Just used the one from the SC Rambler, which has the perimeter bolt valve covers and the more correct front of the engine and carburetor and 4-barrel carb. And then I also put the Magnum 500s. Those are also from the SC Rambler kit. And then Model Haas tires with the red lines that I pulled the inserts out and painted the red lines. You can buy them red as well from Model Haas tires, since those are still available. Another thing I did that's kind of hard to see, but you can see it in my work in process, is I put an automatic console in it. There we go. So I put a console in it, made it an automatic, and put the shifter in it. It already had automatic pedals in there, but detailed it out really nice. Really happy with the way this one comes out. And then the mirror that's on there is from the 68 Firebird kit from Revell. But really happy with the way this one came out, and it completes a trio of AMXs for me, because I have built a Big Bad 69 and I got another Big Bad Blue 70 that I did build. So this completes the trio on my shelf. I will feature those cars eventually, the build on those, and I've got a few more to build, so it's not going to be the last of my AMXs. I've still got another 68, 69 race car to build, another resin 70 to build, and another 70 original kit to rebuild. So that's another 4 of the 2-seat AMXs in my stash to build. But Really liking the way this one, it just pops. It's just kind of a unique car, a unique story, and pretty excited to get that one done and show it off to you guys. But again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll be doing some more of my builds and showing you. And as it is, share any comments, and I appreciate it. And thank you for tuning in. And if you subscribe, thank you very much.